Hello, in this video I will demonstrate the new functionality in Business Center where you can now connect an Android device via Device Pane or Office Synchronizer application. For now, Business Center supports devices with Android OS version 6 and above. Supported applications are Tribmble Access and Siteworks. As you can see, I have Business Center already started. I will now create a new empty project and open the Device Pane. To use projects created in the device, you have to connect it to your work machine using USB cable. Don't forget to select File Transfer Mode inside the Android device. Once you do that, device name should come up in the device pane. If you have recently updated Access application, Business Center will suggest you update the job file converter. We recommend doing that. As you can see, the connected device is Trimble TDC 600 with two applications installed. Trimble Siteworks, which in the tree view is named Survey Controller, and Trimble Access. Today I will use Access Project. Once the tree node is expanded, there are two folders named Projects and System Files. System Files folder contains feature definitions, GUI definitions, and other global projects-related data. Now I will go to location of my project. From there I can select the job file and click Import button or simply drag and drop. As you can see, my basic job file is imported with corresponding feature library. Media files are also imported and placed inside Windows Documents folder. Now I will demonstrate another workflow to use device files via Office Synchronizer application. My Android device is already connected, so after starting the Synchronizer app, I should see a list of my installed applications and corresponding files. Gray arrows note that files are stored inside the device and should be downloaded to PC. After the button Synchronize is pressed, application starts downloading Access and Siteworks projects from the device. Green checkmarks note that files are stored both inside the device and PC. You can find all downloaded device files inside Windows Drive C folder Trimble Synchronizer Data. After synchronization is done, I will disconnect my Android device and come back to Business Center. Inside Business Center, I will select Office Copy Device category and recently synchronized TDC 600. As you can see, I just opened Synchronized Device, which is a clone of TDC 600 I have used before. So, this is the end of my demonstration. I hope it was informative and thanks for watching.